from a up, and I shoot that up.
Boy, the terrain, brother, the terrain. Rough. God, no. You're tired? How far? I reach. I wanna say AK then bus from. No, mango man. Oh, go on.
Go ahead.
Oh, go on.
Anyway, man. Ready, mommy.
You remember me? Say hi for your camera. Yeah, you remember me? You wanna talk? Say hi. Shout out to Ismash. Alright, do my intro for me. Good morning, Ismash. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to a brand new vlog. Did I say it right? Or not?
In New York, I merely rock. Hiding in my socks. Running from a up, and I shoot that up. And I'm on the block. And I'm on the block. In New York, I merely rock. Hiding in my sock. Hiding in my sock. Selling every rock. In New York.
Yo, anytime I take one, you know.
Hey, shut up.
He shut up. Kami na a second game, I think a second game.
I wonder how much. Call him and see if I get him now. What am I saying?
Alright, I think I'm gonna say good morning, Team Ismash yet. So, our intro this vlog. Same thing, same difference, whatever. But good morning, Team Ismash. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog. Oh, I think the baby did intro this vlog. But we're going. But somewhere now with Travis, him a ride on bike. I don't know if I ride bike, so I'm not going to go on the bike there. I might do. Travis, you know, teach. I learn. May I ask Travis if he can teach me if I ride the bike? If I easy 1, 2.
Yeah, man, bike now to run in there.
Father Travis.
I do you in a fish.
Brother, give him a lesson, tell him how to blow the answer and then move after.
In New York, I merely rock. Hiding in my socks.
Go on over there. Put up your stand. First thing.
Push up your tape, you know. This side clutch.
Don't hold the clutch yet.
Side front. Back brake from there.
Down.
Yeah, back brake from there. This one also.
Clutch.
Right,
The gear.
change the gear. See it? Push off and make it neutral. Alright, in a neutral. So when you start it, don't hold the clutch.
Hold the clutch. You know if you let it go.
Carry this in straight, eh?
Yo.
Come, Mara, come.
Kick all long on this. Take time release this first before me ease up off of it.
No man, ease up off of that.
Look, before. When you put that down, you step down one time for this.
Just one time.
The first gear gone, that neutral. Alright?
Second, a neutral, you know.
You can ride the bicycle though, right?
Yeah, man, we can ride the bicycle, man.
But all who
Second
can
a
ride
neutral,
bicycle.
yeah?
Neutral you go.
I mean you can ride bicycle.
Go down. Think your clutch. Run off the bike and you feel run free.
In our gear.
Go down again. More back to the floor.
One time.
Alright, come on.
So, where the switch? I find it only one switch on. I don't know. So, hold on, you never use that switch.
Wally clutch. Put this a foot on ground. Yo, put the foot on ground. Yeah.
Take your time.
Your leg going too fast. Yo, this a man out.
Yeah, let it go too far.
Let me show you your move off with it.
Hold this. No, it's not table already, man.
No chai back to back.
You make Gabby can't move and you can't even move.
You know.
One go. Roll out the other bike, you know. Ooh. Touch out now. Yo. Big body.
Oh no man, you know what I mean.
Morning. Under 16.
You chat too much though. I don't know if you change it.
Clean up yesterday.
Give me a sit up on it. Give me a sit. Just give me a sit up on it.
Go on, man, your turn. Didn't even know what to say.
In New York, I'm Millie Rock. Hiding in my socks. Running from a up. And I shoot that up. What? And I'm on the block. What? And I'm on the block. In New York, I'm Millie Rock. Hiding in my socks. Hiding in my socks.
No child.
You sure? Push off and see.
Shooting at it up, cause I run that block. Give me top, and my drop, top. I did hug on flop, when I drop. I did hug on flop, when I drop. I did hug on flop, when I drop.
Go along the street. Go along. Don't get hurt, boy. Don't get hurt. Yes, you're changing part of kilo. No, man, you see, we are change. We are change now, you just sink the clutch.
Hold on on this.
Right, and go up.
And then we just slowly release.
Right.
You hear when we let it go fast, you can hear it.
Yeah. So you see when you sink the clutch, one gear are down, you know,
Yeah.
and all of them are up. So you see when you sink the one, and you go on down, you move off again, you sink the clutch, you carry up. You put your foot on it and carry up. Right. Sink the clutch again now, up in the air. Up in the air. Kalang. Don't stop. Go on. Go on, man. Go on, man. Don't stop. Go on, man. Go on.
Yeah.
A night, I know.
Yo,
You need to come on and get more practice.
daytime, you can't do it at night.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Too much noise, that's what I say. Especially, you see your left, right there, sir. You just have
Team louder than this by only by what she.
This you make them call the police. That's what I say. I'm a rider. You more you walk me out.
Yeah, loud
That's what
I
I say. I loud I get.
get.
And I'm a rider too fast. And I knew about the 9 night. That's what I say.
Wow. God, I'm going to race you around now.
I'm going to friend them around Jamaica. Years. I first say that again.
It's not even deep on a bike, dog.
No.
In New York, I'm Millie Rock.
It is so long in
Running from a up, and I shoot that up. What? And I'm on the block. What? And I'm on the block. In New York, I'm Millie Rock. Hiding in my sock. Hiding in my sock. Selling every rock. What?
It a jelly them go home. Call it a day and call it even a vlog. Yeah, I'm like a mad man. Where's it? Yeah, make your link. Yeah, make your link tonight.
Oh yeah, my link with me daddy, man.
Let me know for it tomorrow. Yeah, let's make it. I never carry nothing else.
Huh?
Never walk with nothing else.
What?
I never walk with nothing else. So I'm left. How you go, man? Back home. Did a lot of first in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. My battery is about to die. I'm going to do this outro real quick. Ismash, thanks for watching this vlog. Stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog. Tomorrow's vlog is going to be litty. Like, subscribe, share, and all that good stuff. I'm out. This biatch. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.
In New York, I'm Millie Rock. Hiding in my socks. Running from a up, and I shoot that up.